everyone. I'm Mahima Banthia and I'm here to talk about the IIT exam with you. The exam is now announced and that makes it real, right? That you have to start preparing because IITs are not so easy exam. Those exams take time and effort to crack. The other exams will get launched soon. IIT has already been launched. So the IIT exams contain 3 sets of questions. The MCQs, the MSQs and the NAT. So yes, these are not regular exams which just have MCQs. MCQ are 1 mark and 2 mark. MSQ is a type of question where you have to select all the right answers. So there may be 1 or there may be more right answers. You have to select all of them, right? So that's a unique challenge in front of us. And then there's the NAT. So in NAT, you are not given options. You are given a box. You have to give a numeric answer, sometimes up to some decimals. So you have to solve a question and give an answer. That's NAT. NAT is for 1 mark and 2 marks, right? So IITs have this is for IIT JAM. So IITs have a different format of giving the paper. Now we only have had IITs give out the JAM and the GATE for economics since the past 5 years. So that means we have 5 actual papers that we will fully solve in class. Each and every question solved. Alright. Besides that, we at EduSure give you 10 new mocks for the GATE and JAM exam. That means 10 fresh questions with MCQ, MSQ and NAT. Yes, we have worked on software and developed software which is capable of giving you MCQ, MSQ and NAT questions like the actual IIT exam. So these 10 practice mocks become extremely important for giving the IIT exam. Now the IIT exam, if we talk about the level of questions, the level of questions for mathematics at least is high. For economics, I would say it is not as high because this exam was traditionally supposed to be taken by engineers. So for them, they are supposed to know maths very well, but not necessarily that much economics. So the economics is not, an ISI level economics, but maths is. So a lot of focus needs to go on maths to crack the IIT exam. Now we have a new batch that we are launching on the 5th of August. Now we train for all entrances. As all of you know, we train for ISI and IITs and CUET and everything. The 5th August batch will also train you for all the exams. But for every batch, we have a strategy. Now the first exam, which is IIT, the strategy is that we will try to finish the syllabus for the 5th August batch by November. By finishing the syllabus, I mean that we'll finish the core of the syllabus. We'll cover your basics. We'll make your basics strong. We'll cover the syllabus in a manner that your basics are covered, and if you, let's say, pick up a paper which is maybe a CUET, which is maybe a Hyderabad, which is maybe a South Asian University or an IIFT, and you will start feeling comfortable doing that paper. And then December and Jan, we will solve questions which are IIT level. Okay, because that's the first exam that you have to sit. Now this will be common for everybody. Okay, so for everyone, whichever batch of EduSures you're in, we'll finish your syllabus by November. So that December and Jan, we focus solely on problem solving for IIT. February, we will focus solely on problem solving for CUET because CUET is the next exam that is going to come. And then henceforth, we will move on to ISI. Okay, so that's the strategy. Now this is the strategy that EduSure has been successfully applying for great IIT results over these years. Okay. Along with this, something additional, something extra in 2025. What's that? So in 2025, we've decided to keep a person who is going to be your guide throughout the journey. So sometimes you may get stuck anywhere and you may not know whom to call, or you may have to wait for a class to approach us. So now you need not do that. There will be someone with whom you can get in touch anytime for problems. That's the level of service that we are trying to build at EduSure for you, so that every problem of yours is solved every time. Alright, so we always have ample doubt sessions, so that all your doubts are solved up till the last day. We give you ample extra questions, and this year we've gone big on extra questions. We've gone bombastic, and you're going to have lots of extra practice questions. We are giving weekly tests every week. We are giving practice tests to you. So all of that will continue. The fresh mocks, the new questions will continue. Everything will continue the EduSure way, just with the vigor that is required to crack these entrances this year very, very successfully. So everyone, I invite you to come to EduSure. I invite you to try out EduSure on the 5th of August. See you in class.